Round 1.
Alright, let's go. When we talk about the new generation of stars taking over South African music, one name that simply can't be ignored is Zinxumalo. From viral hits to luxury living, today we're breaking down Zinxumalo's net worth, her success story, and how she's built herself into one of the most exciting artists in the game. Zinxumalo is widely recognized as one of the top amapiano female vocalists, but what truly sets her apart is her versatility. While many artists stick to one sound, Z has managed to dominate multiple genres. Beyond amapiano, she's made serious waves in three-step and gqom, proving that her voice can adapt and shine across different musical styles. According to reports, Zinxumalo was born in Eswatini, and later her family relocated to Alexandra, Johannesburg, where she spent most of her childhood. Like many great success stories, her journey wasn't easy, but her talent was undeniable. Her major breakthrough came in 2024 when she was featured on Funk 55 by Shakes and Les. The song went absolutely viral, trending on TikTok and across social media platforms like nobody's business. That moment changed everything. The track introduced her not only to the South African audience, but also to listeners across the continent and beyond. She became booked and busy, performing everywhere, and her rise was so loud that even Julius Malema took to Twitter to compliment her voice. From there, Zinxumalo never looked back. In 2025, she completely dominated the charts with multiple hit songs, including Ratolaka, featuring Shebeshit and Sliduman. The song was such a massive success that it was even crowned Song of the Year 2025 by a national radio station. With non-stop bookings throughout 2025, it's safe to say Zinxumalo made a serious bag. Her dominance was further cemented when she appeared on the Spotify Wrapped cover, highlighting just how much she owned the year. Her success also reflects in her lifestyle. Zinxumalo reportedly drives a Mercedes-Benz V300D, a luxury vehicle estimated at around 1.8 million rands, showing that her hard work is definitely paying off. When it comes to net worth, Z doesn't rely on music alone. Alongside streaming revenue and live performances, she's also partnered with major brands like Puma and Oppo. These high-profile endorsements play a huge role in boosting her income, as big brands pay top rent to work with a well-branded, influential artist like her. All things are considered, Zinxumalo's net worth continues to grow as her career reaches new heights, and judging by her momentum, this is only the beginning. Alright, now let's move on to Maho. Maho's Instagram tells a story of success, consistency, and enjoying life to the fullest. From designer bags and high-end fashion to luxury vacations, her page is filled with moments of her living her best life. You'll spot her traveling to countries like the UK, Dubai, and Kenya, just to name a few. This isn't just for show, it's the lifestyle of a hardworking artist who's constantly on the road, performing both locally and internationally. Maho is a very busy artist, and her work ethic clearly reflects on her success. Just like Zinxumalo, she's a female vocalist who truly knows how to dominate the charts. She first made serious waves back in 2015, and over the years she's proven that her talent wasn't just the moment. Her versatility allows her to move across sounds effortlessly, which is one of the reasons she's remained relevant for so long. In 2025, Maho had a massive year. Two of her biggest songs, Bengicela and Uzizwa Kanjani, took over playlists and airwaves alongside many other hits she released. These songs didn't just trend, they cemented her position as one of the top female vocalists in the country. With success comes comfort, and Maho definitely understands that. One of her standout vehicles is the Mercedes-Benz V300D, which she mainly uses when attending gigs. This luxury people mover is estimated to cost around 1.8 million rands, offering both style and practicality for her busy schedule. She also owns a Jayco, which she uses as an everyday car. This vehicle is estimated to cost about 470,000 rands, making it a solid and reliable choice for daily movement. Beyond music, Maho's influence extends into brand partnerships. She has worked with brands like Honor, and as we know, brands pay serious money to collaborate with artists of her caliber. Companies understand the power of her influence, her audience reach, and her ability to move culture. Adding to that, Maho was featured on the Spotify Wrapped 2025 cover, which is a huge milestone and a clear sign of how impactful her music was throughout the year. When you add together her music streams, live performances, brand deals, and endorsements, it's clear that Maho's net worth continues to grow year after year. In 2025, it's safe to say that Maho and Zunqumalo stood as the top two female vocalists, leading the game and setting new standards. From chart-topping hits to luxury cars and global travel, Maho is the perfect example of talent meeting hard work and enjoying the rewards that comes with it.